The project data entry page has been updated to allow for more flexibility with registering your data. Single registration is found by clicking Online from Register Entities. The term Entities has replaced the previous compound term to allow for additional choices with registration and structures. Notice that the entity type chosen from the drop-down determines the structure input methods available. For example, small molecule will allow for structures or SMILES, like with the previous compound registration. Antibody-drug conjugate allows for home strings, which can be copied and pasted into Pipette BioSketcher. DNA plasmid allows for sequence strings. We will use this entity type for our registration example. The ability to add your own custom properties has been added to several areas for further flexibility in data recording in ScienceCloud if needed. Wherever you see this icon, you will be able to add and edit custom properties. Enter your information for the batch as needed. For those who are using the Experiments application for Notebook, users can enter valid experiment numbers for reference here, which will appear in single view and will link you back to the experiment in Notebook. Note the presence of custom properties in the batch section. In the Samples section, note that if you click the plus icon, you can easily add analytical type files. Note the presence of custom properties in the Sample and Shipping sections. On the Assay Results tab, available biological choices are populated in drop-down menus for ease of selection. If you click the plus icon, you can add more information and associate a file to the data point. For those who are using the Assay application, users can enter assay run IDs for reference here, which will appear in single view and will link you back to the run in Assay. Note the presence of custom properties in the assay results. Once all data has been entered as needed, click Save at the top of the page. Once the entity is saved, you can find your data by searching in Project Data Search, by using the Notifications application, or by clicking View Batch from the registration confirmation.